How to send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. First of all, open the Cash App on your smartphone and log in if needed to your account using your PIN, fingerprint or any other security method you have set up. Then tap on the USD symbol to switch to the Bitcoin tab. Then select the Send button. The Send button might appear at the bottom of your screen or under the More Options menu depending on the app versions you are using. Then find the recipient's phone number, email, or Bitcoin address to specify the fund's destination. Double check the data to make sure no characters are missing or incorrect, as BTC transactions use blockchain and are thus irreversible. Simply type in the amount in either BTC or USD, whichever is more convenient for you. Cash App will automatically convert USD to Bitcoin based on the current exchange rate. When dealing with significant sums, you should check the rate in advance either in the app or online. Then confirm and send. Remember to double check all the info you have entered. Normally, sending BTC as a gift entails no fees or commission. If any fees do apply, they will be displayed to you before confirmation. After confirming all details are accurate, tap Pay. Then you will receive a notification once it is successfully processed. Sending Bitcoin through Cash App is easy and convenient. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.